Now we'll take a look at customer support using Luxor CRM. Let's say you have a customer who calls in with a support issue or sends an email to your support team. We'll walk through the support cycle and how that's done through Luxor. First of all, we'll look up the contact name. We can either do that in Home or under the Contacts module. Let's say it's Ashley James who has called in, so we'll search for her name. We'll open up her card. And down here under the support tab, we'll see if she has any support issues already. She doesn't, but if she did, this is where you would check to make sure that you won't create a duplicate ticket. So let's go ahead and add a new support ticket. We'll click Add. We'll call this new support ticket Test. As you can see here, it's related to the contact who is related to the organization. As with opportunities, you can do different tracking groups. Here we have technical support and billing issues, but you can go up and set as many different tracking groups as you want. We'll select technical support. We give a rating to the status. We'll say it's high. Here you can set the closing date. So let's say we expect it to be closed November 30th. And you specify the current support state. Right now, we've just created this new support ticket, so we're still in the information gathering state. As with opportunities, when you advance to different stages, you may be asked certain questions that you have to fill out. We'll just answer yes to both. Save and close that. Once I've done that, Luxor automatically assigns a ticket number to this support issue. You can set this up so that Luxor automatically generates an email to the client alerting them that their support ticket has been created and giving them the number. You can also set it up to automatically alert different personnel on your end. For example, the owner of this account may want to know every time their contact has an issue. You may assign this support ticket to different support personnel, so the alerts is just another way to keep interdepartmental communications. Here we can capture issue and resolution. Once the ticket is closed, you can add keywords to the issue, and these keywords become searchable in the database. So in the future, if someone else has a similar issue, if they type in the appropriate keywords, it will pull the support ticket up. This is a really good point of reference for other people who might have similar issues. And before you set up new supports, you may actually want to look for those in the keyword section. Anything that is attached to this ticket is rolled up to the contact, and that will be further rolled up into the organization. Down here, we can see all the information associated with this support ticket. The stage history shows us where we currently are. When I create this new support ticket, it's stamped the time, date, and state. There's to-dos that we can assign to ourselves. And our activities will track the stage history and to-dos. You can set up attachments as well. And also under the alert section, you can set up a variety of different alerts for yourself. Here you can set up an escalation alert for yourself so that if an issue is not resolved in time, you'll be notified. Along those lines, you can also set up reminders down here. So now that we've basically looked at everything around a support ticket, let's save and close. Let's quickly take a look at support management under admin. Here under support management is where you would manage the different support cycles. We currently have 2 different tracking groups, billing issues and technical support, and you can add as many as you want. We can open up the different cycles and edit the different stages. Like with opportunities, it's really similar. You can edit the stages to make them go higher, up, or lower, open or closed, whether it's required. If you go into the details of each stage, you can add questions that must be answered. You can set whether the status is open or closed, whether it's required. You can set email templates for alerts, and you can do different stage fields that are required. The setup under support management is basically identical to that of opportunities management. So if you would like further details, please see that video. And the last thing we're going to do is build a view of all open opportunities. We'll go to the support module and add a new view. I'm going to call this new view Open Tickets. And I'll select the views I want to see. So I want to see the contact name and when it was created, the owner. I want to know the stage. I'd like to know the ticket number as well as the tracking group. And down here for field to search, For support ticket status, the condition is going to be open. And I'll save and view. So these are the open tickets that I currently have. So that was a look at support management using Luxor CRM. To learn more, please contact us today for a personalized product demonstration.